Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy at home without any machine, only ways. Heat sugar, corn syrup, and a splash of water to the softball stage. Stir in flavor and color. Then pour thin streams onto a chilled metal whisk or fork while spinning a paper cone to collect the threads. Practice steady motion, low pours, and small batches for airy, delicate cotton candy anyone can make in a kitchen. Measure and set out all ingredients and tools before you heat the sugar. Organization keeps the process calm and safe. Use a reliable candy thermometer and prep small paper cones or 2 forks for spinning. Keep a bowl of ice water nearby to cool tools quickly between batches, and always work on a heat-resistant surface away from kids or pets. Slow, consistent technique makes fluffy cotton candy with minimal waste. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more fun kitchen hacks for you. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you craft cotton candy. It pairs perfectly with snack time vibes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by practicing slow pours and gentle spins to learn how the sugar threads form and attach to the cone. Keep movements rhythmic and consistent. Sudden jerks create clumps and uneven shapes. If the sugar crystallizes or gets grainy, discard and start fresh with clean tools and fresh sugar, and adjust heat in 5-degree increments. Patience and small batches yield the best texture and flavor for homemade cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.